Welcome to Yard GrowingSA. In today's video, we'll be talking about companion plants. Which plants grow best together? Let's get to it. So the first thing we're going to start with is the most well-known one is with the Millis corn, the three sisters. So this is bush beans. You can use bush beans, runner beans. And this is my old corn what was growing here, so they are still used as trellis. Then down here is the squashy. So what you want to do is actually let it lay over on the soil so that it can protect the soil also, like a mulch. And also with that, you can also grow peas with it. And potatoes. And melons, which I don't have, so I can't show, but like sweet melon, watermelon, but that will grow the same as pumpkins. The same with the potatoes, it will be more of a ground cover. And then the peas and the beans, that will be more of a vining on the corn. And cucumber will go nicely with corn because it's also a vining plant. Carrots, so here's the carrots. Carrots go well with bush beans or runner beans, and with peas. So with the beans and the peas, that is gonna help with the nitrogen in the soil if you're gonna grow it with the carrots. But I prefer, because I grow in containers, to grow it with my corn, because it's gonna be much better. And if you grow in ground or even in containers, your carrots, you can still plant. You can plant lettuce with it. So if you're growing carrots in rows, then the rows what is missing, you can just plant your lettuce in. Also, tomatoes will go good with carrots. And also, onions. And then you plant some sage with your carrots because it will help with carrot flies. So the onions you want to grow with beetroot. We are planted in the, so the onions that are planted in here is the offcuts of the other onions. And like I said, the carrots. And with lettuce. So that is actually kind of good because then the carrots can help with aphids come into your lettuce. And then also with cauliflower, since I only have cauliflower, it goes with cauliflower, well, and with broccoli and with cabbage. So most brassicas. So chili peppers is gonna go well with onions, which I should have planted with them, so I'll do that next season. And with basil, so this is purple basil. I'm just waiting for this to set seed so that I can plant it over there. So chilies is not really a lot with them, just the onions and basil. So tomatoes you're gonna grow with basil. So the basil and tomato, when you grow them together, it's gonna help repel thrips and disrupt the habits of moths that causes tomato hornworms. That's a beneficiary from growing basil with your tomatoes. Carrots as well, you can grow with your tomatoes. As well as your cucumbers. and your squash. There's no squash yet growing on here, but this is a butternut. And then garlic. I don't have actual garlic. This is all wild garlic, and they keep on setting flowers like at least once a month. Let me show you what they will go well with, what goes well with them. So mealies is going to be well with them. Also eggplants. I just got 3 over here. My 4th one died, but that does well with them. And then your beetroot, carrots, and tomatoes will all go well with your garlic. And then radish as well. And your cucumbers and peppers. So I'm just waiting for this wild garlic to give more shoots and that and get bigger, and then I'm going to integrate them with the rest of the plants. So if you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Thank you guys. Backyard out.